Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to High on Food. Today we've got something extra special in store for you guys, the ultimate Zinger Burger. Get ready to satisfy your taste buds and craving with this recipe. Alright guys, before we get into the recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our mouth-watering content. Now let's talk about what goes into creating the perfect Zinger Burger. We've got some chicken breasts, a blend of spices, crispy lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and of course our signature hand food sauce. So let's start by marinating chicken breast. Combine all the chicken pieces with around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and now add 2 teaspoons of vinegar with 1 teaspoon salt. I'm using around 1 teaspoon chili flakes and finish it off with 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Mix it well and let it marinate for at least an hour. Now the marination part is done. Slice some potatoes for crispy French fries. It's a must for a sideline. Now let's make our sauce. In 100 grams of ketchup, add around 2 teaspoons of mayo, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, and some freshly grated black pepper and a little bit of fresh cilantro. Mix it well and our signature sauce is ready. Now for the coating, take a bowl, add around 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon for turmeric powder, and mix it well. I'm using deep frying method. In a wok, add any vegetable oil and let it heat on a medium flame. On the other side, grab your marinated chicken pieces. We're going to coat our marinated chicken in a crispy batter of a flour mixture, one by one. Press it gently, all the flour can get in and form crumbs. Once oil is heated, add your chicken pieces gently in the oil, one by one. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes to fully cook through chicken. And by this you'll get golden brown crispy texture. Take out your chicken and set it aside. What I recommend you is to toast your buns with butter for immense flavor and crispy brown texture. As you can see, this crispy brown texture. But now comes the exciting part, assembly on our toasted buns. Place a generous amount of sauce that we've made. Now add your lettuce. Now place your chicken piece. Little bit of sauce. Freshly sliced tomato. And a little bit of mayo. Now you can crown your king at the top. Crispy Zinger is ready. Now we repeat the process. Lettuce, this, mayo, top, done. This sauce, lettuce, chicken, little bit of sauce, tomato, mayo, and crown the king. Oh wow, The crunch from the batter, the juiciness from the chicken, and the freshness of the veggie. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. You guys must try this recipe making at home and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out for you. There you have it guys, the ultimate Zinger Burger feast. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment down below and let us know what food adventure you want to see next on High on Food. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay hungry, stay high on food.